Doctor, I always worry whether my baby is getting the right nutrition, the young mother asked with hopeful eyes. He is only 3 years old, and I want him to grow strong, smart, and full of energy. What should I feed him? The nutrition expert smiled warmly and replied, first of all, you are already doing something wonderful by caring so much. Remember, the first 4 years of a child's life are like building the foundation of a strong building. If the nutrition is powerful, the child's body, brain, and immunity will become powerful too. The mother leaned forward with curiosity. So what are these superfoods everyone talks about? The expert answered gently, superfoods are not expensive imported items. Many of them are simple foods you can easily find. For example, eggs are one of the best superfoods. They are like nature's multivitamin. 1 egg a day can help brain development, muscle strength, and provide good fats. If your child eats eggs, you are already giving a powerful boost to his growth. Oh, he likes eggs, the mother said happily. What else can I add? Bananas, the expert replied instantly. Bananas are a perfect energy food. They are soft, easy to digest, and full of potassium which helps muscles and nerves. When your child runs and plays, bananas help maintain that natural energy. You can mash banana with a little milk or give it as a smoothie. The mother quickly noted it down. Doctor, what about brain development? I want my child to be intelligent and focused. The expert nodded. Then never forget dry fruits powder. Almonds, walnuts, and cashews in small amounts can do wonders. Almonds help memory, walnuts support brain growth because they contain healthy omega fats, and cashews provide energy. Just powder them and mix a small spoon into porridge or milk. That sounds easy, the mother replied. Is milk still important after 2 years? Very important, the expert said confidently. Milk, curd, yogurt, and paneer help build strong bones because they are rich in calcium and protein. Curd is especially good because it also improves digestion and immunity. A strong stomach means fewer illnesses. The mother then asked softly, my child sometimes falls sick with cough and cold. Is there any food that can make his immunity stronger? The expert smiled again. Yes, and this is very important. Give colorful fruits and vegetables. Think of carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, and oranges. These contain vitamins like A and C which act like soldiers protecting your child from infections. Soldiers, the mother laughed. Yes, the expert continued playfully, imagine vitamin C as a superhero shield protecting your baby from germs, and vitamin A as a light that keeps his eyes and skin healthy. I love that explanation, the mother said. What about traditional foods? My grandmother always says simple home food is best. Your grandmother is very wise, the expert replied respectfully. Foods like khichdi made from rice and lentils, dal, oats porridge, and vegetable upma are excellent. Lentils provide protein, rice gives energy, and vegetables give vitamins. This combination is like giving your child complete nutrition in one plate. Doctor, sometimes my child refuses vegetables. What should I do? The expert answered patiently, never force. Instead, be smart. Mix vegetables into paratha, make colorful vegetable pancakes, or add grated carrots into dal. When food looks colorful and fun, children accept it happily. Presentation matters. The mother nodded. That is true. He loves colorful things. Also remember, the expert added, never ignore ghee in small amounts. Many parents fear fat, but a little pure ghee improves brain development, digestion, and provides long-lasting energy. Just half a teaspoon in food is enough. The mother looked surprised. Ghee is good. In the right quantity, yes, the expert clarified. Children need good fats for brain growth. What about protein besides eggs? She asked. You can give chickpeas, rajma, tofu, and chicken if your family eats non-veg. These foods help muscle development and keep children active. Active children learn faster because physical movement supports brain development too. The mother then asked another question. Doctor, what is the biggest mistake parents make? The expert replied seriously, too much packaged food. Biscuits, chips, sugary drinks, and chocolates reduce appetite for real nutrition. Occasional treats are fine, but daily habits should focus on natural food. I understand, she said thoughtfully. So natural food builds natural strength. Exactly, the expert said proudly. Also, never forget water. Hydration is often ignored. Even mild dehydration can make children tired and cranky. Offer water regularly, especially after playing. What about breakfast? She asked. Breakfast must be powerful, the expert emphasized. You can give oats with fruit, egg with toast, peanut butter sandwich, or banana milkshake. A strong breakfast means strong learning ability throughout the day. The mother smiled with confidence now. I feel less confused. So if I give eggs, milk, fruits, vegetables, lentils, dry fruits, and traditional home food, my child will grow well. The expert nodded with satisfaction. Yes. And remember one more superfood that is more powerful than all others. The mother looked curious. What is that? The expert replied with a warm smile, love and patience. When you feed your child with positivity instead of stress, digestion improves. When you encourage instead of forcing, children develop a healthy relationship with food. The mother's eyes softened. That is beautiful. And one last thing, the expert concluded, consistency matters more than perfection. You don't need expensive diets. Simple, clean, homemade balanced food given regularly is the real secret. Every healthy bite today becomes your child's strength tomorrow, every vitamin becomes confidence, every protein becomes power, and every healthy meal becomes a step toward a bright future. The mother stood up feeling empowered. Thank you, doctor. Today I learned that superfoods are not magic products, they are simple foods given with care. The expert replied encouragingly, yes, and always remember, a healthy child is not built in one day, but every healthy meal you give is an investment in your child's future success, strength, and happiness. And as she left, she whispered to herself with determination, from today, every meal I prepare will be a step toward my child's strong body, sharp mind, and unstoppable future.